Today I'm going to show you how to add skills onto your Indeed resume. Ladies and gentlemen, in Indeed, your homepage, you're going to go up to the top right hand side. You'll see this little human being icon. Here you're going to click on this, come down to profile. Once you are in profile, once this page loads, you are going to come down and you'll see qualifications. Go into qualifications, look for add skill, click on this and type in your skill. So what you're going to do is, let's say for example, video editing. Go ahead and click save and add another. This is now being saved. Let's say photography. Click on save and add another. While you're typing, you will see some suggestions. Okay, so let's just say content, no, content creator, and click on save and add another. And there we go. Once you're done, you can close this. You'll be able to see all of the skills that you've added to Indeed.